Here's a brand new what is affiliate marketing and how does it work video for every affiliate marketer who wants to be a successful affiliate entrepreneur and get high quality traffic without having to filter through all these YouTube free videos trying to figure out how affiliate marketing works. Hi, I'm Cameron Malcolmson and I help affiliate marketers just like you start and launch their own affiliate hub based business model starting as soon as today, and I can help you to launch and grow your own affiliate marketing business around whatever niche and industry you like. And basically this is like a third video of a series of affiliate marketing videos where I'm going to walk you through all the different parts of affiliate marketing. Like the next video, we're going to be talking about how to find and select great products, different marketplaces you can go to. So if you're going to want to watch some of these affiliate market videos, you can subscribe to the channel. Basically, in affiliate marketing, you're going to be promoting someone else's product and earning commissions. And what we simplified it here in these three core components is that the product or service that you're going to promote as an affiliate, we call this a vehicle. So this can be like a boat, a car, a bicycle, it can be a jet plane, it can be a shipping liner, it can be a bus, it can be a lorry. The vehicle doesn't necessarily matter when it comes to affiliate marketing, but you'll want to make sure and select the right type of products, okay? But basically, you can be an affiliate for products and services and earn a commission. And if you could just imagine this being like a vehicle. So like I says, we can promote different vehicles, whatever vehicle we want to promote. It doesn't really matter at the end of the day. Then the next step here is inside that vehicle in the car. If it's a car for this example, when we are going to drive that car, a car won't drive if it doesn't have an engine. So what we need to do is we need to create the engine and build the engine and put it into the vehicle, okay? And the vehicle is, like I said, the product or service, and then the engine is the marketing system, okay? And we want to build the marketing system that drives any vehicle. So this is basically what affiliate marketing is. Then the third and final step here is putting fuel into the engine, and fuel into the engine of the vehicle basically is doing advertising and driving traffic and visitors to the marketing system that promotes the product or service. Okay, now the reason why most affiliate marketers fail online is because they're trying to put fuel into a vehicle that has no engine. So it's really important, if you could imagine that if everybody who drove a car or drove a vehicle of some kind, the people who drove them vehicles had to build the engine to be able to drive the vehicle. Not as many people would be driving. And that's why affiliate marketers fail, is because they fail to build the engine for the vehicle. So hopefully you're getting this idea. And basically what you want to do is create a marketing system that manages your traffic, and then you just advertise the marketing system and it promotes the product or service. Super simple stuff. So the biggest takeaways here that I want to share with you when it comes to this here is that the hardest part, and why most affiliate marketers fail, is because building the engine, which is the marketing system, is the hardest bit, and most people tend to leave it out or miss it completely as a beginner. Then number two is, if everyone had to build their own car's engine, there would be less people driving. So that's why less people can do affiliate marketing effectively, because you need to kind of know how to build the engine that drives the vehicle. Okay? And then finally, beginners don't know any better. Like I says, they're trying to put fuel in a vehicle that has no engine. So point here is that you can launch your own affiliate marketing business. Okay? And the key part here is that you need an engine that drives the vehicle, okay, before you start going and getting traffic. And if you've got the right vehicle, the right engine, then you just need to make sure and send the right fuel to the marketing system, and this can all be created and systematized in a really cool way to where it works for you, even if you're there or not. So also, if you're an affiliate marketer who wants whose desire is to turbocharge this process, take 1 minute to go and check out the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass webinar at limitlessmoneyhub.com and register for the webinar. The link is in the description below, and it makes it easy for you to leverage a 6-figure marketing system completely done for you, and all without having to filter through all these free YouTube videos trying to figure out what actually works when it comes to affiliate marketing. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one, and all the best.